Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So here I'm in Indiana, USA, and this is the hotel I'm staying in, Comfort Inn. Let me show you the logo. And this is the place. It's just next to highway I-69. I think it's I-65 if I'm not wrong. And it's a very good location. We have like school there, and we have Walmart just down the street. We have like lot of gas stations, as you can see, and you can see here like we have an eye hospital, eye specialist of Indiana. So in this city of Indianapolis, I have been visiting from past few days, and you can see in this campus we have Comfort Inn and Denny. So here I am staying in this hotel, and they have provided free parking. There are so many parking spots. This is the front of the hotel. They have one at the back side also, and parking is free, but of course at your own risk. And for 3 nights I paid like $364 US, including all taxes. So it's really good considering the location. And my journey doesn't end here. I'm gonna go further in USA. I'm gonna start in next few days, and I'm gonna give you a trip of the hotel. So in this hotel there's everything. Like they have free breakfast that's included in the package. So today morning in the breakfast, like they had like decaffeinated coffee. I'll show the breakfast area, but because breakfast is not on at this moment, so you may not see get the clear idea, but I'll tell you what are the items were there. Decaffeinated coffee, regular coffee, hot water, 3 types of fruit juice, then yogurt, milk, and other items, other supplements that you have. Then they had bagels, bread, then they had egg pooch, one more egg item, I don't know what it's called. Then they had waffles. They have the waffle maker that you can use to prepare. Then they had oats, flavored oats, and then they also had fruits, apple and banana. So now I'm gonna take in. So the moment we enter, just right to it, the reception, and then straight is swimming pool, and also the breakfast area. They have Wi-Fi, and Wi-Fi is included, so nothing to pay for it. So I'll show you. This is automatic door. So this is the breakfast area. As you see, I showed you the items. The items were right here. Right now it's off, and it was full with yogurt and other items in the morning. This is toast maker. This was full with bread, bagel, and other items, butter and all. They had like maple syrup and other side items to add with this waffle. They have this waffle maker that can be used, 3 types of cereals. Okay, I eat this in the morning. And they had like fruits and some egg items over here with lot of disposable cutleries. Now just left to this, after this table ends, this door is for the swimming pool. I will not do the filming over there because there could be some people, so they may not feel comfortable, but it's quite nice swimming pool that I can say. I'll show you the fitness center. Right now there is no one, but this is what they have, an elevator also, and it's just 2 floors. This is elevator. I'm walking straight, and what I observed, like lot of people come here. Even this is not a holiday season or something, but still I found so many cars were parked yesterday. Today a lot of them have left. Probably they came for Saturday and went away, but yeah, a lot of people come here. So definitely this place is doing good. Now I'll show you the fitness center and facilities. I just used the fitness center. At that time there was no one. Not sure now. Hopefully no one inside. Okay, no one is inside, so luckily I can film. So it's a very small fitness center. They have a mirror in front, and this is like, if you see the equipment, they have one treadmill, machines. Here is the mirror, dumbbells, temperature control, and this also. Somebody left their coffee here, I don't know why. And I'm gonna grab a cup of coffee for sure before I move in. Now from here I'm gonna go further south in the states, and they have ice and vending machine also. Okay, I think I did not show you, but you will see it now when I do. As you can see, ice vending machine they have here, and they have like explore Indianapolis, lot of things that you can do here. So some of these things I could do, but not everything, because it's a very huge place to visit. Indianapolis is definitely, and it's crowded also. Like I went to some places, you will see in the videos, it's huge, but you can take this for free and you can plan on your own what you really want to do. And this location is really good, like just next to the highway. So today like I covered around 4 or 5 locations, and everywhere in just 10, 15, 20 minutes maximum I reached. So a lot of things are available, and today I'll go to Walmart also, and we'll see you in another video. Thanks for watching this video, guys. Bye.